With over 315,000 subscribers, 10x income has taken
YouTube by storm. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it too.
Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you the exact process that you can take to make videos just like 10x income. As I mentioned, he has taken YouTube by storm. He has garnered lots of subscribers, tons of views in a relatively short amount of time, and it's something that anybody can do if you know the exact process. Now, let's go ahead and jump right into my computer, and I'm going to give you some step-by-step process that you can take to create something similar. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head on over to Midjourney, and you want to type in this prompt. Imagine lo-fi style character looking up towards the camera, looking toward and facing the camera in a futuristic room at night, lo-fi style. So what you're going to want to do, quite honestly, is you're probably going to have to do this a few different times because it doesn't get it right exactly in order to get the character that I showed you at the beginning of this video. Now, what you may want to do too is you may want to adjust it. So instead of saying a lo-fi character, you might want to say like an office worker, office employee, but you want to make sure that you are emphasizing that they are looking up toward the camera. That's why I have it twice, in fact. And then you can also include the background. Another option that you have really is that you can just use this picture, this image, and then you can edit out the background and put in your own background. So you have a few different options, and I'm going to talk about how you can do that with some software that is free, and that's something that everybody uses. So if we take a look at these, it looks like it is almost ready. These aren't bad, okay? You'll probably have to redo these a couple times so that the person's actually facing the camera. And let's assume that we'll do this one more time to see if it works this time. If not, we'll just assume we'll just use the character that I created. So again, it takes maybe 3 to 4 minutes for it to pop up. But once you get a good one, you can use that same person again and again and again, kind of like what I did in the original video. So it looks like these options might be a little bit better, and I'll show you in just a moment how you can download those and then where to place those so that you can create something pretty cool and pretty unique. All right, so if we take a look at these aren't terrible. Let's say we want to use the one at the bottom, number 4. I'm just going to click on U4, and then I'm going to save it to my computer. I'm just going to right click and save once it is finally ready, and then we can move on to the next step, which is to make it a talking head. Now the cool thing with the talking head is that you actually have a few different options. So I'm just going to right click, save this to my desktop, and then we can go over to step number 2. Step number 2 is to create the talking head video. Now you can create it with this software called d-id.com. Now I'm not an affiliate for it. It's just a pretty cool software, but we're going to click on log in. I've already logged in, and then I'm going to click on create video. Now right now I am on the free version. The free version allows you to create shortened clips. I believe they're 5 seconds or less, but you can upgrade to the premium version. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on add, and then I'm going to find that video that I just downloaded, that image I just downloaded. All right, so this is the image I just downloaded. And then from here, you have a few options. You can put in a script that you have created, and I'll show you how to create a script in a second, or you can actually do the audio yourself. If you want to sound a little bit more authentic, a little bit more real, and increase the chances of you being monetized, I recommend that you do your own audio and you can just upload it right into the software. But let's say you want to do this completely AI. What we can do is come over to ChatGPT, and I just typed in act as an expert in YouTube script writing. We are going to create a script of the 5 best ways to make money in 2024, include the script only. Sometimes it doesn't work. As you can see, this time it included the B-roll and it included transitions. And so I'm simply going to ask it again. So once again, you can see ChatGPT sometimes does what it wants to do, which is not bad. So we're going to just copy freelancing and the gig economy. We're going to copy this, and we are going to simply put it into this software. I'm going to paste it in. Now, again, I'm on the free level, so you only get just a few minutes, but we're going to click on generate video, and you can see for yourself that it is not bad. And it's generating in seconds, which is really cool. You don't have to spend all day trying to do this, but let's see what happens when we click on it.
Freelancing and the gig economy.
How cool is that? It is synced up perfectly. Obviously, I didn't change the voiceover, but this is something that you could simply put together in a matter of just a few moments. Depending on the level that you sign up for, this could take a little bit longer because you'd have to piece this together. But as you can see, it's really simple and really easy. Now, the next step, which is really important, is you need B-roll. If you look at 10x Income's YouTube videos, he has a lot of B-roll. B-roll is basically the video that is played over the top to help break up some of the monotony. Sometimes you'll see on my videos that I have B-roll every few seconds, again, to break up the monotony. Now, there's a few places that you can go to get B-roll. One is Storyblocks. This is a paid subscription. I recommend using Storyblocks because 99% of the people that are doing faceless YouTube videos, they use a free software or a free website like Pexels. And if you've seen one faceless YouTube channel, you've seen them all because they all use this website. If you want to stand out a little bit more, if you want to get access to newer videos in B-roll, use a paid subscription like Storyblocks. And Vato also has a paid subscription. Use something else to help stand out a bit more. For example, if we type in make money, and I guarantee you, you have seen a good portion of these videos before. There's 1.4 thousand videos, and most people just grab the first ones that pop up and they reuse them again and again and again. However, if you come over to Storyblocks and you type in make money, there's going to be new ones that you have never seen before, and that's going to help you differentiate yourself and stand out from the crowd. So if we look at this, make money, there's a bunch of them. We can sort by most recent, like this. You certainly haven't seen these before that have new on them. And so I certainly recommend that you do this too, okay? But what you want to do is once you get your B-roll, you want to put it all together. And the best way to put it together, the freest way to put it together, is a website called CapCut. Now the cool thing with CapCut is you can edit out the background, you can add B-roll, you can do all sorts of stuff with it. And I like CapCut because it has a desktop application. So even if the website goes down, you can still use it. So what you could do is you could go create video just like this. And we are going to do 16:9. And then simply just going to drag and drop your files that you used. All right, so I went ahead and opened up the CapCut application. This is what it looks like. And the cool thing with CapCut is that you can edit out the background really easy. What you need to do is simply just import a video or an image, and then you just press auto cutout and it cuts it out. Now this works best if you are an actual human or person, but what we can do is we can drag over this. We can also drag over this image. So we'll drag both of those over like that. And then what we would do next is we could simply put this in on layer 1 and then put this in on top of layer 2 like this. And then we can try and do auto cutout, but I don't know that it's going to work well because this is an animated person. And so if I just click on automated cutout for her, as you can see, it actually did pretty well. And then we can just adjust the size of this video. So if we wanted to, we could move, actually didn't work out great, but let's delete that. And let's bring her back in like this. And then we're just going to adjust the size. So just assume that this is a YouTube video. We can actually adjust the size and we'll click play like this.
With over 315,000 subscribers.
And so that's how you essentially can make the video. The cool thing about this process is that it doesn't take a lot of time once you get into the rhythm of doing this. The first couple times, yes, this is going to take a good amount of time. There's probably going to be a little bit of frustration in it as well. However, once you get the hang of it, you get the flow of the process, it'll work out much quicker, much more seamlessly. What I ultimately recommend that you do is go out and try and find trending topics within your niche. And one of the ways that you can find trending topics is you can go to trends.google.com. Going to trends.google.com can help you find trending topics that people are searching for. So you might want to type in something like make money online like this. And then you can take a look and see what types of things people are asking when it comes to make money online. Side hustles from home. Is branded surveys legit? Is inbox dollars legit? So you could create a video about these different things. You can come back up here and then you can type in something like Etsy like this, hit enter, and come down once again. Take a look and see what's there. Etsy Christmas, so you could put together a video of the 5 best Etsy Christmas items to sell online and potentially make money. But this is a really simple process once you get the hang of it. And the cool thing is you only need to download this image once and you can use this exact same image again and again and again. Now, if you don't have access to Midjourney, you could always come over to a website like Fiverr like this, and then you could type in something like animated person. Like this. As you can see here, you can contract or hire somebody to create one animated person and then just give them the directions that you want. This, for example, this is a pretty good one. You want them to look directly into the camera. If you look, I will create a personalized animated AI character video with your own avatar.
With the incredible
So you
power
can
of
see,
the mic, we can.
So as you can see, this person is doing it. It's going to cost $50. What I would just ask for is the avatar by itself and see if you can get it for a cheaper price, because you're going to go through and you're going to do this process on your own. But if you don't want to spend the money for Midjourney, this is another option as well. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you think this is a good idea? Do you think this is a bad idea? Do you think that 10x Income just got lucky? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer every single one of you. Now that you know how to make videos like 10x Income, watch this video next, because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.